Units of mass.
Mass is measured in terms of kilograms and grams. Kilogram is the standard unit for measuring weight. We use the symbol kg for kilogram and g for gram. The weights of the following denominations are used to measure the weights of different objects. 20 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams, 200 grams, 500 grams, 1 kilograms, 2 kilograms, 5 kilograms. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams.
Conversion.
Conversion of kilograms into grams. To convert kilograms into grams, we multiply the number of kilograms by 1000. Example, convert 5 kilograms into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So, we will multiply 5 by 1000 grams. Thus, 5 kilograms is equal to 5000 grams. B. Conversion of kilograms and grams into grams. To convert kilograms and grams, we multiply the number of kilograms by 1000 and add to it the number of grams. Example, convert 7 kilograms 850 grams into grams. 7 kilograms 850 grams is equal to 7 multiplied by 1000 grams plus 850 grams. Thus, 7 kilograms 850 grams is equal to 7850 grams. Conversion of grams into kilograms. To convert grams into kilograms, we divide by 1000. Example, convert 5000 grams into kilograms. 5000 grams is equal to 5000 divided by 1000, which is equal to 5 kilograms.
Addition and subtraction of kg and g. Add 8 kg 378 g and 2 kg 256 g. Solution. Step 1. First, we will arrange the numbers in columns of kg and g. Step 2. Add grams, that is 378 and 256, which is equal to 634 grams. Step 3. Add kilograms, that is 8 kg and 2 kg, which is equal to 10 kg. Thus, the answer is 10 kg and 634 grams. Subtract 273 kg 384 g from 486 kg 597 g. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in the columns of kg and g. Step 2. Subtract grams, that is 384 g from 597 g, which is equal to 213 g. Step 3. Subtract kilograms, that is 273 kg from 486, which is equal to 213 kg. Thus, the answer is 213 kg, 213 g. Multiplication of mass.
We multiply the units of mass in the same way as we do for normal multiplication. Example, multiply 5 kilograms 496 grams by 4. Solution. Arrange kilograms and grams in columns and multiply. Multiply 4 by 6, which is equal to 24. We'll write 4 under gram column and 2 as carry forward. Multiply 4 by 9 is equal to 36 plus 2 of carry forward will result to 38. Then write 8 under gram column and 3 on carry forward. And multiply 4 by 4 is equal to 16 plus 3 of carry forward will result to 19. We will write 9 under gram column and 1 as carry forward on kilograms. Then multiply 4 by 5 is equal to 20 kilogram plus 1 of carry forward will result to 21 kilograms. So 5 kilograms 496 grams multiplied by 4 is equal to 21 kilograms 984 grams.